Tabor had a lot of things that were on my checklist that some of the other builders didn't have. Plus, having a storm shelter included with the home was a big deal. I was researching a lot online. I looked around with my realtor and decided on Tabor. They were the best for me at that time, and they still are. So I'm in the Canyons. It's still being built up. When I drove out there to pick that lot in that area, it was family friendly, spacious, and being in Mustang, everything's kind of like right there. My favorite feature about my house is the master closet. Going in from my bedroom to the bathroom, it's a very spacious closet. It also goes into the laundry room, which is really nice. So I just gotta find a way to fill it. I started in February, looking with my realtor. We found a really good sales manager through the whole entire process. The building was great. It was a lot of anxiety for me just because it was a new experience, but everything was great. From getting pictures all the time, phone calls, updates, to going through the house in the different stages was pretty cool, seeing that. And then, you know, just coming to the end and moving in and getting those keys were awesome. Yes, I would recommend Homes by Tabor to my friends and family. I have. To anyone that's looking, they'll ask me, who did your house? And Homes by Tabor did it. Oh, you know, they're pretty awesome. Yeah, they are. You should definitely look into going with them.